Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about BrightWay, an exciting financial service that offers credit options to help you build a better financial future. If you are looking to apply for a BrightWay account or card and you are wondering where to start, I am here to guide you through the process. We will also look at the meetbrightway.com apply page and what happens when you head to that site. So first things first, what's BrightWay? BrightWay is a part of OneMain Financial, and they offer a range of credit building products aimed at helping people improve, um, how can I say, their credit scores while also having access to credit. It's a service that is designed to work with people at different stages of their financial journeys, helping them build credit responsibly. If you are looking to improve your credit score or just want a straightforward financial tool, BrightWay might be a good option to explore. And now let's talk about how to apply. If you are ready to check out, head over meetbrightway.com apply page. When you enter the URL, it will actually redirect to the official application page at www.brightway.onemainfinancial.com meet Brightway, as you see on my screen now. So here is, I think, yep, sorry, I need to again, yeah, I need to show you how it can be used like that. Yeah, as you see, like that. Once you are on this page, you can start your application by clicking apply now, or following the instructions. It's a straightforward process that they will guide you through, providing uh, any necessary personal and financial information. One thing I love about this setup is how user-friendly it is. They really try to make the application experience as smooth as possible. And that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you will have completed your application and can start working toward building your credit card. So if you are looking to take that next step in your financial journey, check out meetbrightway.com apply and you will be redirected to the main application page. Thanks for turning it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Happy applying and good luck.